Here's the Saltine Toffee.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi everyone, welcome to ZJfun. Today we're gonna make Saltine Toffee. Let's do it!
First thing, we are going to add some butter in this. So Zach will add the butter in this saucepan.
Because
You
it's
can-
sticky.
It's sticky, and if it's sticky, you can use this slicer. Jeremiah, you can add 1 cup of brown sugar. This is 1 cup of butter, and then 1 cup of brown sugar.
I thought that wasn't brown sugar.
Yeah, light brown sugar. And then we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. And we're going to first we're going to brush this baking sheet with some butter. So use this brush and butter this up all over the place. Okay, now Zach, you can do the rest. Thank you, Jeremiah. Okay, next step is setting these saltine crackers on this pan.
Okay,
We're gonna line them up. You can line them up. There you
Do we
go.
have to put them together or space?
No, no space. Brown sugar and butter. It's boiling and it's very hot, so I will pour this.
Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, starting now.
Now, next step is putting chocolate. We're gonna sprinkle the chocolate. So this is going back in the oven for 2 more minutes.
Oh, there we go. No, not
Okay,
all
so
walnuts.
next step is spreading these, adding the topping, which is walnut and sprinkle.
So can we do it
So
at
you
the
can
same
do,
time?
actually, no, you can do half sprinkles and half walnuts. So don't mix them. Jeremiah, you will do this, and Greg will do that side. Jeremiah, you will start from here. Let me make a little, and make sure they don't go all in one place, okay? So then few crackers will have all the walnuts and the others will have none. We'll bring this to room temperature and then we will put it in the fridge for 1 hour before eating this.
Oh my gosh, I love walnuts. Here's the Saltine Toffee. So now we're gonna eat it, guys.
will ahead, guys. Enjoy.
Okay. So sticky.
It's supposed to be. It smells really good too. You can smell the caramel.
Yeah. Two thumbs up.
Satisfying, huh?
Thumbs up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.